Hi, my name's Kevin Mamahat. I am the owner of Rhino Shield MidSouth. Our territory is Louisiana, Mississippi, and South Alabama. I can never ever imagine living anywhere else other than New Orleans. It's unique, it's different, and the people here are what keep me here along with my family. Rhino Shield is an elastomeric ceramic coating to where it's a product that you'll never ever have to paint your house again. You know, every day in my life, for the past 20 years, I get to meet new and exciting people. But the most part that I really truly love is that I have a product that is going to help out our homeowners. Right now, their pride of ownership is probably a little low. They might even be a little bit embarrassed because they let their house get away from them. Okay? And they know they have to do something because the home is the largest, most valuable investment. Okay? And the only thing that they can do to fix that is to hire Rhino Shield. Well, it kind of goes back to the way that I was raised, goes back to my former days as a former professional athlete. You take pride in everything. And one of the things that I loved about the Yankees and playing locally at Tulane University with Coach Joe Brockhoff is, you had to take pride in the way that you presented yourself, the way that you represented the organization. It was, gee whiz, it was a long, long time ago. But the one thing that I remember is Deion Sanders and I were roommates in the minor leagues, and we got called up to the big leagues at the same time in the summer of 1989. And, at that point in time, they had a cologne, men's cologne, Brut by Fabergé. And they used to have a commercial on TV talking about Brut by Fabergé smells like the fresh cut grass of Yankee Stadium. Well, the limousine driver dropped Deion and I off in left field by the Monument Park. I had never been to Yankee Stadium. Deion's never been there. So here we're carrying our clothes. We got all of our baseball gear. I mean, we're struggling. And then when we walked through the gates, we walked through and there's Monument Park on the left of me. And then I'm on the warning track. And then I step my foot on the grass. And you know what I smelled? The fresh cut grass of Yankee Stadium. It still gives me goosebumps to this day. It was an incredible moment. I had what they call a cup of coffee in the big leagues. Unfortunately, due to 5 shoulder operations, I was forced into early retirement in 1993. I was a left-hand starting power pitcher and, couldn't throw the fastball anymore. So had to retire in 93. I'm married to my wife for 39 years. We dated 6 before that, and we were friends a year before that. We've been together through the good times, the bad times. We have 3 beautiful children. My oldest daughter is 35, married, 2 beautiful grandbabies. My second daughter is Abigail. She just made 28 years old. They recently got married. And then I have a 21-year-old son, Garrett. He is in his 3rd year at Tulane, majoring in business and football. He's a starting wide receiver on the football team. That's why I do this. I mean, that's what it's all about. And you asked me earlier about New Orleans. We're family down here. And it couldn't be more prevalent since after Katrina, when we all came together as a community. A lot of tragedy happened, and that we just had our anniversary for that most recently. Well, one of the things that I pride myself on is experience. Like I said, I've been in the home improvement arena since 1993. I've been a small business owner with Rhino Shield since 2006. I want to be the person that customers can trust, that they can go to for questions, and I'm going to give them honest answers. I am very transparent. I want to be the specialist, okay? Just like I was a starting pitcher, one of 5 in a rotation that everybody trusted to get the ball every 5th day, I want to be the person that you trust, that you can come to my YouTube channel and ask questions or find the answers to some of your home improvement questions. So please do me a favor and comment down below.